happy and excited. I was amazed by the place.
Hi, I'm teacher Sheena and I am currently teaching Pre-K 2 students at CAP campus. Today we have our open field study here at Amarak Farm. Well, we've chosen a wonderful setting for the open field study, especially for our young learners. It is incredibly refreshing to be surrounded by nature after being surrounded by buildings, cars, and pollution.
Good day, everyone. By the way, my name is Teacher Chris, teaching Kid 3 at CAP campus. Well, this open field study really gives us an immense understanding how really important sustainability and preservation of our environment, as well as promoting our agriculture.
It was fun because learning outside is interesting. I was amazed by the place and the thing you can see here. I feel happy and excited. I learned about plants, animals, and teamwork. It was a fun adventure.